Hey guys, this is my new Tesla Model 3 and this is the car format I got from Shopee. I think Amazon or wherever else should have this as well. So I'm going to add some weight to this and of course to get it easier to clean. Let's open this. So guys, I've taken out all this from the box and looks like that is 6 pieces, yeah. So this will be for the boot, and these two will be for the front, and these two will be for the front and also the lower storage, yeah, in the boot itself. And that's for the rear passenger seat area. So let's put it in now, right? This should be the one for the front. And is it this way? Yeah, should be it. And yeah, I just saw the front have this towing bar as well. So okay, just nice. And let's close it. And as for the trunk, there is another inner space here where I need to take out this board, and this should fit just nicely. Yep. Just close this back. Oh, put all this back first. Okay. As well as the wall connector. Okay. So difficult to do it one-handed, but it's possible. Yeah, I'll put it this way first and cover it. And for this part, we have another big piece here, so I'm just going to put it in first. Yeah, okay, I didn't fold it, just leave it as it is. It's not in the best position. I think it will flatten out in a short while because it's been in the box for quite some time. So I think this should be good enough to, yeah, to make sure that it's clean, yeah, easier to clean. So finally this is done for the boot, and let's get on with the rest of the carpets here. And this is for the rear. It's actually pretty long, and because it's flat behind, so yeah, gotta put it in now. So just before you put in this TPE mat, just make sure that you move the seat behind a little bit. Now I just move it back as per normal. You see there is some movement there. Why is it? Yeah, it's okay now. Okay. And this is left seat or right seat, so I'm just going to put it in now. Okay, so I just need to slowly push it in. Yeah, let me just try and do it two-handed first. Okay, now it's done. Just need to move the seat a little bit behind and it's done. And this is for the passenger seat, so I just put it over the original carpet. And there is one more item that I'm done. These are the soft, so-called soft carpets. So these are soft and it's easily cleaned. And this is obviously for the driver's side, this is for the passenger side, and this is for the rear. Gotta put it in now. And the good thing is that it comes with this velcro thingy, yeah, so just need to match it back, and it should not run anywhere. Just press on it. Yeah, it fits, so it doesn't move so much. Yeah, and this is how it looks like on the driver's side. Yeah, the velcro sticks there, and Whenever there is some dirt there, I just need to clean this piece out, and if there's additional sands or small stones, then I just take out this piece. Yeah, easier to clean, right? And this is the last piece behind, which is the biggest piece as well. There you go, the Velcro on top of this TPE well made. Yes, perfectly fit. So nice. So there you go, guys. This is the car floor mat, 100% TPE and 100% fit to the cut, to exactly how it looks like. So when you guys buy, make sure you know whether it's left-hand drive or right-hand drive. Otherwise, you could get it mixed. Yeah, this is totally different from the other piece. Other than that, the rear, the trunk is all the same. So, alright, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys like this video, and bye guys.